Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roland. We have completed three types of wall, which is basic wall, in place wall, stuck wall, and we're going to discuss about the last type of wall, which is the curtain wall. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, watch all of my videos. I have already shared about 24 videos in this channel. And now, let's get started. Now we're going to create a simple curtain wall. But before we begin, I just wanted to have a brief discussions regarding curtain wall. Curtain wall is a very unique wall type that allows you to embed divisions like grid, mullions, and curtain panel. You can draw curtain grids freely, and also mullion. Mullion represents the structure profile on a glass facades, and they follow or it is hosted to the curtain geometry. Curtain panel, this fills in the space between the curtain grids, like you can make empty planks, glaze panel, solid panels, wall type as infill. So I will discuss all of these one by one in our curtain panel project. Now let's open a project. I have opened Revit, and we're going to make a new project. So let's make a new, and then select architecture and then project. Okay. And then as usual, you need to set our unit UN, and then make it meters, and then 2 decimal places. Okay, and then okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a grid. So I'll make 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then also here going to create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and okay, that's it. And then make these two grid equal, GI, make it equal, and then this 4 grid I will make it also equal, 5 grid equal, and then I'm going to make a reference level here, reference line, reference plane here, and a reference plane here also, and DI, DI, make it also equal, and then this one DI, and then this, I'll make this whole distance 20, and this distance from here to here, I'll make it it's already 20, and this one di, and make this one 6 meters. Now we're going to create a basic wall, and first I'm going to set our level, and let's drag this there, and I'm going to create similar, and create similar, make it there, what you call this one, pick a line and make an offset of 4, and then let's move this up, then go to level, and then I open 3D and level, and we're going to create a wall. So basic wall, and then we'll accept this default 200, and then chain, and we'll connect this up to 3rd floor, level 3, and then okay, let's move. Correct. Again, wall, okay, I'm going to create another wall, but first let's make a reference plane, and then reference plane, and I wanted to divide this into 3, make it equal, and then what I'm going to do is going to create another grid here, and name this one, make this one 3 meters. And then next I'm going to create another wall, and I'll make it here, just going there, and then select this, and then make it like this, and then here line here, oh, okay. Then next that I'm going to do is I want to cut this, split this one, split the gap, no, split it here and split, and then make it trim, okay, okay, and let's see it. This wanted to go up to not to 3rd level, make it only up to 2nd level, and then go to 3D, and this is our work. So at the 2nd floor, we're going to create another wall there, go to 2nd floor, and we'll make a wall, and basic wall, 2nd to 3rd floor, and make it here, and then 1st floor, and in 3D it is like this. So we'll make it realistic. And it's like this. We don't have a material here, but it's okay. So here what I'm going to do in front is that I'm going to create again the reference plane here, and then again the reference plane there, and I make this distance around also this one, and make this 3 meters, and then make this 3 meters. Now okay, and then again here it's okay. Now we're going to create our wall. First, just wanted you to know that there are 3 types of curtain wall. One is curtain wall, one is exterior glazing, and storefront. All of these we're going to use. So let's start in curtain wall, and then in curtain wall I will make it from level 1 to level 2, and then just go to edit type, and then automatically embed. Okay, apply. Then wanted to have an offset here 0.20, and then offset from the top level maybe around 1 meter. Then apply, and then okay, and then let's draw. I'll hit it along the center line and go up to here and there. So that is our first wall. So here we have a curtain wall, empty, just a curtain wall. Here is our curtain wall. Next is again I'll do it there, here on level 1, and I'm going to draw a wall which is storefront, and I'll make it here same. I make it an offset of 0.21 meter, and again automatically embed. Let's have this check, and then it's okay, and then okay, let's create another wall, and then we'll select this storefront, and again we'll go to this automatic embed. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is same. We have 0.1 and 1 also, and check the chain, and then wall storefront, and here also we're going to make another wall storefront, and just make a selection. I select this tab, and there, and then another one that I'm going to create. I will create here another wall, and we'll select this exterior glazing, and make it curtain panel cut. Apply. I have not I have not adjusted this, say 0.2.1 curtain panel cut also, and exterior glazing, then okay. And then okay, go to modify and go to 3D, and this is it. So first that I'm going to discuss is about this just curtain panel without any mullions or grid. So I'm going to open our south, and it's open. And now what I'm going to do is we're going to create a grid. So go to architecture and create curtain grid. Then in curtain grid we have three options. We can create all segments, one segments, all except. So all of this we're going to discuss. First I'm going to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll make this one to the top, and as you see there is an offset of 3 meters, make it for 3.5 like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a grid. So we're going to click this grid, and I'm going to make a vertical grid of 3 grids. So 1 and 2. So this one I will make it equal, and the other one is okay. So I'm going to make a grid also on this side. I'll make a grid here, make it all grid, and then another one I'll make it around maybe 0.5, and then another one grid I'll make it exactly up to, I can dimension this, so I'll make this one 2.10, and there is 2.1, and then okay. Then again I'm going to make another grid, but this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a grid except, a grid and except pick. So I'm going to make it like this, grid like this, a grid, and then make this grid around let's say 0.60. I'll dimension it later, but except, and then start grid. So make this one di, and I'm going to dimension here from here. So make this one around 0.5 up to there. And then another one grid that I'm going to make is I'm going to make a grid here up to here. So our dimension here di is around 2.3. So here I'll make a grid again, grid, and I'm going to use this one grid, one segment here, only here, and then here. And then what I'm going to do is I dimension it, make it equal. Okay, so what is the dimension of this di? It's 1.25. So now grid is made. So I want again to make another grid here at the top. I will divide it into 3. So what I'm going to do is again another grid, curtain grid, and then I'll make it one grid, only here and here, and then going to make it di, and make it equal. And then again another grid that I'm going to make is here, going here in this direction. So again go to grid, and I'm going to select a grid, and then I'm going to select this all except all, and then except this, let's leave it like that. I'm going to show you one thing also. So here you can select this, grid, and you can remove, and you can remove this. I'm showing the dimensions. And then also this one, tap it. Okay, I have already removed it. So again another one is again make a grid, grid, and here I am going to again make it exact. I'll make this one exact, this one, and this one, and this one, and then okay, now we have a grid, and then make this one equal. Okay, now that's it guys. I have taught you how to make a grid, and now here on this side I'll just remove this constraint and constraint, and here we can also place our door. If you want to place a door, you can place a door here. Let's say I'm going to select this. I can also remove this one also. So remove this, remove, and then this one also remove, and then okay, now this remove, and then here, as I have already discussed it to you earlier, you can assign a panel here, curtain panel. You just tab it there, and I can assign a glaze. There is a glaze, and you can assign it empty also. There is a glaze and a solid. You want to assign a solid, and this is still empty, and you can also assign wall type as initial. You can also go up and assign any wall. We can also assign a generic wall that we have selected earlier, and then now, and then when you go to 3D, this is already a wall. There is a wall here. Then another thing, you can also make a door here inside. So what you can do is you go to level 1, and go to insert and load family. I'm going to load the family and back. I'm going to choose this English and then US, and then go to doors, and I'm going to select this curtain doors, maybe this one or this one. It can be that one. Open. And now in 3D you can select this, or in south you can select this tab. Select, and then you can see the door that we have selected, and then go to 3D, and then we go to find, and there is the door. Okay, and then the next that we can do also is we can assign solid here also and solid there. You go to south, and I'll select this, and we'll make it solid, and also this. I'll tab it and make it solid. So here is our door. Okay guys, we'll continue tomorrow. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.